Hello everyone, today I'm here with another video showing you how to tune your Android device with HD audio from Dolby. So first of all, what we want to do is download the Dolby HD audio from XDA developers, which I'll provide the link in the description. And this is what we want to download, so I'll highlight it so that you can see. If you want to download this, just tap the download here and it will redirect you to Android file host and you will download it from there. Now if you have root, you must have root with SUPERSU, that is, and if you have root with SUPERSU, you can download FLASHFIRE, and you don't have to use twrp if you have FLASHFIRE, because FLASHFIRE makes it easier. And you can see I have the file downloaded here. So you just go to FLASHFIRE and tap the plus there and then flash zip or OTA, and it's in the downloads folder. So you just use this to locate whatever folder that you are looking for. So you use this and then you go to downloads and then this file here. Do not select anything from that list, just tap here and then flash. Now when I press OK, my phone is going to reboot, and I will show you the process there on how everything is done. So I'm now about to reboot the phone into recovery. Okay. And you can see it's now flashing all the necessary files. Just be patient, it's very fast, it's very quick. Just after this process, then the phone will boot up and you should have Dolby Atmos. And guys, this has clean HD audio. I actually tested it before I made the video, and I went on to YouTube and I looked for a Dolby test video to see how clean the audio sounds, and it's very nice, very clean audio. And I just have one thing to say, it depends on the device that you have. You can see I have a Galaxy S4. So if you have a Galaxy S5, Galaxy S4, Galaxy S3, then you have no worries, but just try it at your own risk and let me know if it worked for you. So just allowing the phone to boot up here. And now it's done, and you can see Dolby Atmos. Now I'm going to switch to my screen recorder. Okay, welcome back guys. So let's go on to Dolby Atmos and let's see. So you can choose your different audio modes. In my case I'll choose movie, and you can turn on sound virtualizer, dialogue, enhancer, and volume leveler, and there are also some other equalizers that we have here where you can. So let's try if I were to volume up. Sounds very clean. I'm not sure if you can hear it clearly. And let's go on YouTube. Very clean audio. And let's check Dolby. nice HD audio, and you can feel free to check it out yourself. I won't go in depth with everything. Audio, and know and tell me if you are enjoying the HD audio experience. So thank you for watching, guys, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one.